Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. It's been a while since our last upload and update. So, for today, we also have an update kasi nag-announce si YouTube last October, I think 3rd week or 4th week, ng new features niya inside the website or mobile app. So, for us viewers, or content creators, or casual or silent lurkers inside the YouTube, we can now access new content aside from the usual content na pinapanood natin because they added this feature new to you. So if you're on TikTok or if you're on Instagram, so sa TikTok, ito yung parang For You page natin na magre-recommend si YouTube ng mga content na related dun sa interest or history na pinapanood natin. Also sa Instagram, dun sa search page or explore page na nagsasuggest din sila ng mga related sa interest natin. So that's how new to you tab works, and I hope na hindi lang to yung parang i-click soon. So sana meron din siyang talagang dedicated tab na mismo sa mobile app or sa desktop. So sa desktop, kung mapapansin nyo, sa upper part ng YouTube website, makikita nyo doon, di ba merong mga tags. Sa akin, ambient music, jazz, Naruto, mukbang, IU. So, sa pinakadulo, meron ako dito, new to you. So, I'll click that one and lalabas yung mga content na aside dun sa mga usual na pinapanood ko. So, this gives content creators a chance na ma-discover ng other viewers or other lurkers inside the YouTube platform. Also, inside our YouTube mobile app, makikita nyo yung new to you option or tab or tag, kung ano man yung tawag doon, by swiping up. Just swipe up your feed and makikita nyo yung new to you option doon and click that one. So, makikita nyo yung mga content na hindi usual sa feed nyo. So, I think that's it for today's video and I hope na makatulong itong update na to sa ating mga content creator to increase our reach, our engagement, our views, and our communication or relationship inside YouTube platforms. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, consider clicking the subscribe button. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to click the like and share button. We also do have our Buy Me a Coffee site link in our description box below, and also our new membership program. So click that one if you want to join. So, once again, this is Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.